I'm giving you dark, moody, and dramatic for today's Father's Day Tablescape. Happy Father's Day to all of you wonderful fathers out there. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting, I want to welcome you to the channel. Let me share what I'm going to be using on today's tablescape. Starting off with some black flatware that I purchased on Amazon. A gorgeous black floral tablecloth that I thrifted. Also, a thrifted, well, let's call this a thrifted tablescape because most of it is thrifted. This beautiful green vase with a unique shape that I also thrifted. Thrifted glassware, all in black. And then I have some thrifted candle holders and some green boxwood bowls. Next, I'm using some beautiful white napkins with a black edge that are very, very pretty. Thrifted chargers. And these are glass chargers that I thrifted for $14.99. And we're going to get those cleaned up. The only thing on this table not thrifted is this green dinnerware, and this is a plastic dinnerware, but I love the color, and I picked these up at Walmart for $1 each. Then I have some beautiful thrifted black and white plates. The black and white bowls are from Dollar Tree. So that is everything that I'm going to be using on today's tablescape. There's the long shot, and let's get this put together. Before we jump into the reveal, let me wish you a happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. Again, I'd like to wish all the wonderful fathers a happy Father's Day. I hope you enjoyed this moody, dark, dramatic tablescape for Father's Day and that it gives you inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments because, honey, you know I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all of my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's so easy to join us. We would love to have you. Simply upload your Tablescape video and make sure to use our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays24 so we can find you and add you to the playlist. And don't forget to use YouTube etiquette. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.